Every long-running show has its ups and downs, but the Curse of Oak Island fans seem to be reaching their breaking point. Season 12 has been chugging along with Rick and Marty Lagina leading yet another expedition in search of long-lost treasure, but instead of excitement, many viewers feel like they're stuck in a never-ending loop, kind of like Groundhog Day. With episode 10 now out, frustration is growing. The series keeps teasing big discoveries, but actual payoffs have been few and far between. The anticipation has built for years, but some fans are starting to wonder if they're just being strung along. Over on the show's official Facebook page, viewers didn't hold back. One fan compared the experience of watching The Curse of Oak Island to reliving the same day over and over again. Another chimed in, agreeing that the show has become painfully repetitive. And it's not just the content that's bothering them, many are also venting about the narration. Robert Clotworthy, the show's narrator, has become a target of criticism. While his dramatic style has always been a staple of the series, fans argue that he repeats information so often it's starting to feel like filler. One viewer pointed out that after every commercial break, there's a 5-minute recap of what just happened, something that's particularly frustrating for those who've been following the show for years. Another fan joked that every scene includes a fresh introduction to the cast, as if longtime viewers don't already know who these people are. It's hard to ignore the feeling that the show is stretching its content as much as possible to fill the hour-long runtime. If there's nothing new happening, does every episode really need to be this long? Some fans think it's time for a shake-up, maybe shorter seasons with more focused storytelling instead of dragging things out just for the sake of it. Unfortunately, The Curse of Oak Island still pulls in solid ratings, which means things are unlikely to change anytime soon. In fact, the last 4 seasons have all run for 25 episodes. So if history repeats itself, pun intended, there are at least 15 more episodes of season 12 still to come. Will the show find a way to recapture its old magic before fans start tuning out for good? We can only hope. The Curse of Oak Island airs Tuesdays at 9/8 on History.